Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can share your CapCut project to your friends so you can add it together. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already opened my CapCut application, and if you want to share your project, you need to upload your project to the CapCut Space. You need to log into CapCut and then you will get CapCut Space for 1 GB for free guys. And these are the projects I have just uploaded to this space. And if you want to share the project, we need to share the space. You can click on this icon and you will get invite link, and then you can copy the invitation link and then you can share it to your friends who wants to join the CapCut space, so you can edit the projects together. Okay. And you can also upgrade your space, but you need to subscribe to CapCut. If you don't have CapCut Pro, you will get this space for free guys, but it's only 1 GB. Okay guys, and that's how you can share your CapCut project to your friends. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.